Just imagine there is a platform where you can save all your photos, videos, document on all important files without even paying for storage. A place even where your phone gets lost, stolen or damaged, you can recover anything every time you want without even going through the long process of recovery or doing backup. Well, surprisingly, that platform might be on your phone and most people are using this platform only to chat. In this video, I'm going to show you how most people are using Telegram as their free cloud storage. This is Great Filippo. If this happens to be your first time here, please don't forget to like this video and also share it to others. Now let's get started. Okay, so open Telegram, and then when it opens, just tap on the three dots at your top right hand side over here, and then click on saved messages. Okay, so when you click on saved messages, it's going to open this chat for you. So this is where you are going to forward the messages you want to save, the videos, the pictures, the documents, and it can be accessed with any phone provided you have access to your number. So just open Telegram and then type in your number and log in. And as soon as you log in, you don't have to do any backup. You just get here and then you get all your files. So let me upload an image here. So I have an image. And once this image is uploaded, it will never delete. So I can access it anytime and so once your messages are saved here, it will never delete unless you delete it yourself. So let's go back and then you click on the three dots at your top right hand side again, and then click on saved messages and you are going to have it. You can access it anytime and anywhere you want it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Before you leave, don't forget to stay active and stay connected. Until we meet again.